Hello everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial where I show you how to make sure that your iPhone never goes to sleep. So what you want to do first is go into your settings, which is this gear icon here. And then once under your settings, you want to go down to battery. It should be right here somewhere under the initial settings. You tap into battery and you'll see an option at the top that says low power mode. If this is enabled, so if it's over to the right and green right there, that means that it's turned on. You want to disable that because if it's enabled, you're not going to be able to put your phone in the mode that will disallow it from going to sleep. So make sure low power mode is disabled and turned off and go back to your settings here. Now, once we're under settings, we want to go to an option that says display and brightness. Go ahead and tap into display and brightness. And you want to scroll down to where you see an option that says auto lock because that's what puts your phone to sleep. If we tap into auto lock here, you can see mine is set to never. Yours may be 30 seconds or a minute. If it's one of these options up here, just select never. That way that your phone will never go to sleep, and just make sure that the only time it will is when you put it to sleep by pushing the sleep wake button on the phone itself. That's it. That's all you have to do. And now you never have to worry about the phone going to sleep at inopportune times. If you have any questions about this, put them down below. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.